This is a seahorse. Male seahorses carry the babies in a pouch. They swim upright and use their tails to hold onto plants. Whales are the largest animals in the ocean. They communicate with songs and can travel thousands of miles. Dolphins are very playful and smart. They love jumping in waves and can recognize themselves in mirrors. This is a clownfish. Clownfish live in sea anemones for protection. They make clicking sounds to communicate with friends. Starfish can regrow lost arms. They move slowly on the ocean floor to find food. Sharks have been around for millions of years. Some sharks can sense tiny movements in water to hunt. This is a pufferfish. Pufferfish inflate like a balloon to scare predators. Some species have tiny spikes for extra defense. Turtles can live for over 100 years. They travel long distances to lay eggs on beaches. Orcas are very social and live in family groups called pods. They are top predators in the ocean. Jellyfish have no bones or brain. They float with the current and some can glow in the dark. Lobsters have strong claws to catch food and defend themselves. They can live for over 50 years. Swordfish have a long pointed nose called a bill. They swim very fast to catch their prey. This is a manta ray. Manta rays glide through water like flying birds. They have big wingspans and filter plankton to eat. Angelfish are very colorful and live in coral reefs. They move gracefully among the corals. Moray eels hide in rocks and coral. They have sharp teeth and a second jaw inside their mouth. Walruses have long tusks to help them climb ice. They live in cold waters and gather in big groups. Penguins are birds that swim instead of fly. They slide on ice and huddle together to stay warm. A narwhal is called a unicorn of the sea because of their long tusks. They live in Arctic waters. Red pandas are playful climbers and live in forests near rivers. They love eating bamboo and berries.
This is a camel. Camels live in the desert. They walk on sand and eat desert shrubs. Here is a mother camel with her baby walking together. This is an elephant. Elephants live in forests and savannas. They love to drink water and eat grass and leaves. Look, the baby elephants are playing near their mother. This is a lion. Lions live in the grasslands. They rest in the shade and eat meat. See the lioness with her cubs nursing and playing? This is a tiger. Tigers live in forests and grasslands. They are strong and hunt for food. Here is a mother tiger walking with her cubs. This is a giraffe. Giraffes live in the African savanna. They eat leaves from tall trees. Look, a baby giraffe is drinking milk from its mother. This is a zebra. Zebras live in grasslands and plains. They eat grass and run fast. See the baby zebras playing near their mothers. This is a kangaroo. Kangaroos live in Australia. Mothers carry their babies, called joeys, in a pouch. Look, the joey is peeking out from its mother's pouch. This is a bear. Bears live in forests and mountains. They eat berries, fish, and honey. See the bear cubs playing and drinking milk from their mother? This is a monkey. Monkeys live in tropical forests. They eat fruits and swing on trees. Look, a baby monkey clings to its mother while she grooms it. This is a hippo. Hippos live in rivers and lakes in Africa. They like to stay in water and eat grass. See the baby hippos swimming with their mother? This is a crocodile. Crocodiles live in rivers and lakes. They swim and rest on the riverbank. Here is a mother with her babies near the water. This is a rhino. Rhinos live in grasslands and savannas. They eat grass and walk slowly. See the baby rhino following its mother closely. This is a deer. Deer live in forests and meadows. They eat grass and leaves. Look, the fawns are drinking milk from their mother. This is a fox. Foxes live in forests and fields. They eat small animals and berries. See the mother fox with her playful kits? This is a dog. Dogs live near humans or in fields. They eat meat and play with puppies. Look, the mother dog is feeding her puppies. This is a cat. Cats live in homes or in nature. They eat small animals and milk. See the mother cat with her kittens playing in grass? This is a penguin. Penguins live in cold regions near water. They eat fish and slide on ice. Look, the mother penguin is taking care of her chick. This is a parrot. Parrots live in tropical forests. They eat fruits and seeds. See the mother parrot feeding her young ones? This is a dolphin. Dolphins live in oceans. They swim fast and eat fish. Look, the baby dolphin is swimming beside its mother. This is a whale. Whales live in oceans. They swim slowly and eat plankton or fish. See the mother whale swimming with her calf?